At number 3, we have an emperor who stepped in when the Roman Empire desperately needed an adult in the room. The empire was in disarray, and it required a strong, capable leader to steer it back on course. Meet Vespasian, the emperor who brought Rome back from the brink after the chaotic year of the 4 emperors. This was a time when the empire saw rapid changes in leadership, leading to widespread uncertainty and turmoil. The previous emperor, Nero, had not been the most stable ruler. His reign was marked by extravagance and neglect, which left the empire vulnerable and weakened. Enter the year of the 4 emperors, a period of intense civil war and instability. 4 different men claimed the throne in quick succession, plunging Rome into chaos. Finally, out of this chaos emerged Vespasian, a no-nonsense general. He was known for his military prowess and his ability to lead with a firm hand. He quickly restored order, crushed rebellions, and brought the empire back from the brink of collapse. His decisive actions ensured that Rome could once again stand strong. Vespasian reformed the tax system, cracked down on corruption, and even imposed a tax on public toilets. These measures helped stabilize the economy and restore public trust in the government. He commissioned the construction of the iconic Colosseum, a symbol of Roman engineering and architectural prowess that still stands today. Vespasian's reign was a period of healing and restoration for the Roman Empire. His leadership brought stability, prosperity, and a renewed sense of hope to the people of Rome.